Welcome to Factory. Today, we'll discover how delicious popcorn is made, from fresh cornfields to the final packaged product. Our journey begins in these beautiful cornfields, where high-quality popcorn kernels are grown.
Only mature, healthy corn is selected to produce premium quality popcorn.
The harvesting process begins using advanced machines that collect the corn quickly and efficiently.
The harvested corn is carefully loaded and prepared for transport to the factory. Within a short time, the fresh corn reaches Factory for processing. Every batch of corn is inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards.
The kernels are thoroughly cleaned to remove dust and unwanted materials before processing. Next, the kernels are dried and sorted so that only the best ones continue to production.
Now the selected kernels are ready for the most exciting step, turning into fluffy, delicious popcorn.
The cleaned kernels enter the popping machine, where carefully controlled heat begins the transformation. As pressure builds inside each kernel, they burst into light and fluffy popcorn.
The freshly popped popcorn is cooled to preserve its crisp texture.
Delicious butter flavor is added evenly to every piece of popcorn. The rotating drum ensures every kernel receives the perfect amount of flavor. Advanced inspection systems remove imperfect pieces to maintain premium quality. Each serving is weighed accurately before packaging. The popcorn is packed quickly in sealed bags to keep it fresh. Every package is securely sealed to protect freshness and quality. The freshly packed popcorn is now ready for final inspection and boxing. Every package is automatically inspected to ensure perfect quality. Each package passes through a safety inspection before leaving the production line. The finished popcorn bags are packed into cartons for safe transportation.
The cartons are securely sealed to protect the products during shipping. Every carton receives a unique code for easy tracking and quality control.
Robotic systems stack the cartons neatly onto pallets.
The pallets are wrapped securely to keep every carton stable.
The finished products are stored safely until shipment. The popcorn is prepared for delivery to stores around the world. The finished popcorn is now loaded and ready to begin its journey. The shipment begins its journey from Factory. Fresh popcorn is transported quickly and safely. From the factory, the products reach a central distribution center. Each shipment is sorted according to its destination. The orders are prepared for stores across the country. Fresh popcorn reaches retail stores every day.
The popcorn is now ready for customers to enjoy.
Every bag is packed to preserve freshness and great taste. Behind every bag of popcorn is a journey of quality and precision. This factory works every day to deliver fresh, high-quality popcorn to millions of people.
Thank you for watching AH Factory. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next factory adventure.